You know what's calling us? The new reimagined Moana-themed rooms at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. This Disney Deluxe Resort Hotel fully reopened July 19, 2021 with a brand new look. The guest rooms feature a new color palette inspired by the Pacific Ocean and its islands, as well as details, patterns, and textures from Moana. You may even spot some characters if you look closely. You're welcome. Visit UndercoverTourist.com to save on your next stay at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.